Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to solve buffering on Google TV. So if an app is buffering, follow the tutorial step by step. I'm going to have that sorted out in this tutorial. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is I'll show you a couple of steps from quick software fixes, and the first is going to be to restart your device. So if you hop over to quick settings and then all settings, head over to system and then scroll down to the bottom of this list to find restart. So click on this restart button to ask you to confirm whether you want to restart now, and if you click on restart, your device is going to restart. That's the first method you're going to try. So if that works, then you're good to go. If that does not work, the next method may just solve that problem. So you're going to unplug your device from current, leave it for 30 seconds, then press on the power button, attempt to turn it on while it is not connected. We're trying to do a power drain to remove the power that's in the system and restart the device from scratch. So allow the device to lay after pressing the power button while the system is turned off and not connected. Keep that device in that state for 10 minutes, ensuring that the power drains. Click on the power button multiple times within those 10 minutes to ensure that all the power is drained out, and then you're going to click on the power button again when the system is connected to current. So the device should be connected to current and should be able to turn on now. So when it turns on, we use the application again and check if we find any buffering on Google TV. Now, if the buffering problem is fixed, you're good to go. If not, you're going to force stop the application. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's say, for example, the Play application was buffering. I'll just come to the Play application for this next step, and I'm going to click on force stop. So clicking on force stop should relaunch the application. I'll wait on this page until I see the force stop button come back on. When it comes back on, I'm going to click on open to launch the application, and I'll check if the buffering is stopped or if the buffering is fixed. So just hang on tight for a bit and then open the application and start running it. If the buffering is fixed, you're good to go. If not, you want to try to force stop other background apps. So buffering can also be caused by a situation where the RAM is not enough to go round and there are background applications taking away precious RAM. So just head over to apps and you see recently used apps. So you can see I've used Google Play Store, Downloader, Bear Player, VLC, and APDTime recently. I could systematically remove each of them from the RAM by force stopping. So if I click on Google Play Store and force stop, click on Downloader, force stop, click on Bear Player, force stop, and force stop all of these apps, then my RAM will be clear and I could try to run the application again. And if it's still buffering, I'll move to the next step, which will be to update the software. So to find the software update on this Google device, on Google TV, just head over to System, and you're going to scroll up About, and find System Update. So click on System Update. It's going to search for an update, and when it's done checking the update, it's going to give you the update to download or tell you the steps up to date. The second one is you're going to go to the application of choice or the application which is buffering, and you're going to update the software for that particular application. So you could just click on that app and get into software update from within the system that's opening it. and then checking the software update, or you could look for general system updates, where you could just come to apps, and at the bottom you find manage updates. So click on manage updates and you see available updates. So if you have an update for the application that's buffering, install the update and try again. So I've given you a couple of methods to solve and fix the buffering issue. Try this out. If it's successful, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.